Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the blower housing thermal fuse in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Insert a putty knife above the front access panel to release the spring clips to detach the panel. Remove the lint screen. Next, use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the air duct. Unthread the 4 screws securing the heater shield. Detach the shield. Disconnect the thermal fuse wires. Use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screw, securing the fuse to the blower housing. Install the new thermal fuse by aligning it on the blower housing. Then thread the mounting screw. Connect the wires to the terminals. Reposition the heater shield and secure it with the 4 screws. Realign the air duct and thread the screws to secure. Replace the lint screen. Align the front access panel spring clips with the slots and snap the panel into place. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.